10 things to do when you're bored at home. Are you bored in the house? Bored in the house? Bored? Tired of watching movies every day? Did you already try all the recipes in your cookbook, or perhaps you've already opened all your social media accounts many times in just an hour? If so, then this video that you're about to watch will give you ideas and activities to do at home. Hi Muze family, how is everyone doing? We hope everyone is doing and feeling great. Today we will be showing you 10 amazing things to do when you're bored at home. Staying at home can be really tiring, and sleeping, eating, playing on repeat is tiresome. But how about doing some activities at home to keep yourself amused? If you don't know what activity to start, here are some of the best you can get your hands on. Tip number 10. Magic card. To do the magic card, you will need a printed design, some colored pens, a hard plastic cover, black cardboard, a yellow cardboard, and glue. To start making the magic card, you will need to print a design that you wish. It can be an animated character, flower patterns, or whatsoever. Once you have the printout ready, get the hard plastic cover. The size of the printout should be the same size as the hard plastic cover. Place the hard plastic cover on top of the pattern and start tracing it out with black marker. Make sure you traced all lines and shapes of the pattern. Once you're done tracing the printout, take off the hard plastic cover. Fill in the traced plastic cover with colors using colored pens. Color well and make sure to fill it all in. Once the plastic cover has been colored, take a piece of black cardboard. The black cardboard should also be the same size of the plastic cover. Once you have the black cardboard in hand, glue the upper and left and right side of the plastic cover on the black cardboard. Let the cardboard dry on the side. While it's drying, take the yellow cardboard and draw a flashlight shape on it. Once done, cut it out. Cut also a small circle from your spare black cardboard and glue it on the tip of the flashlight cutout. This will be used for the magic card trick. When the cardboard has dried, insert the flashlight cutout under the unglued card. Move it from left to right to reveal the printout design. It will look like you're dragging a flashlight through the design. It works like magic, and it is also fun to do. If you think this activity is fun, wait till we come down to number 1. Keep watching to know more amazing stuff to do at home. Tip number 9. Watermelon lemonade. Is it hot outside? You want to have a refreshing drink, but you want something unique and new? If so, you should try to make watermelon lemonade. This is no ordinary lemonade recipe, but it is easy to do. All you need are watermelons and some lemons. First, squeeze the watermelons in a juicer and set aside. Do the same with the lemons. Mix the two juices together. Next, grab a glass and add ice. Add a teaspoon of sugar or add as much sugar as you want. You can also add some small watermelon cubes in it. Once done, add the watermelon lemon juice in the glass. Stir well and serve with cute straws or some umbrella accessories. Instant refreshing drink. Tip number 8. BFF card. Now that you know how to make a magic card, the next thing to learn is to make a BFF card for your BFF. Whether there's an occasion or you just want to show some love and appreciation with your BFF, this card is the best to make. For this card, you will need colored paper of your choice, some photos of you and your BFFs, and code printouts. To start, grab a colored paper. This will serve as the base of your BFF card. Fold the card into fourths. Next, unfold it again. In a 1/4 box, fold it in half in a triangle angle. Draw a half heart on it and cut. Do the same with the other 3 folded box. When you're done, you will see you have created 4 hearts in each corner of the card. Grab another square card and do the same process again. You will need 2 cards for the BFF card. Once done, grab the 2 cards and glue it together in the center. You may use white glue or a glue gun. When it's glued, get the BFF code or message and glue it in the center. You can also grab your BFF photos and cut it in heart shapes. Glue the photos in the hearts of the card. When the photos are all glued in the heart spaces of the card, fold the card all together and seal it using a BFF message or code. Send the card to your BFF and let them know how much you treasure your friendship. Tip number 7. Nail art. When you're staying at home, it's fun to maintain your nails with proper manicure and cute nail polishes. But what about putting some twist to it? Why not do nail art? While it can be complicated to think how nail art is done, it's not as hard as you think it is. When doing nail art, all you need are some nail polishes, small nail polish brushes, and the top coating polish. Start off with clean nails and paint it with a base nail polish that you prefer. Choose your own color and be creative. Once the nails are all prepped up and colored, in a container palette, mix the nail polish colors. Grab the thinnest nail brush that you have and start making some patterns and design on your nails. You may also use a toothpick or any sharp tip tool that you can use to twirl and draw patterns on the nails. When you're happy with your nail design, coat it with colorless polish as a top coat and let your nails dry. And voila! You now have made a perfect nail art for yourself. Tip number 6. Ice cream pencil case. Do you love ice cream? Do you have tons of pencils and pens that you bring anywhere? If so, why not make an ice cream pencil case for you to store all your pens and pencils in one go? Although it might be easier to just buy a pencil case at the store, you will learn to appreciate one thing more if you made it yourself. Plus, making a pencil case is fun and you can customize it to your liking. Before you start making an ice cream pencil, you will need a colored styrofoam to work with the outer part of the pencil case. If you want your case to be hard, you can opt for cardboards. Whichever you choose, it will work well with this activity. Cut a tracing on the styrofoam. Make sure it is in the shape of an ice cream. Make the top bigger and rounder, and the bottom part should look like a cone. Make 2 patterns, one for each side of the pencil case. Next, cut out some styrofoam for the sides of the pencil case. It will hold the 2 ice cream patterns together. Cut out also a piece for the bottom part of the pencil case. Once done, glue the pieces on the side and attach the ice cream patterns. Use a glue gun for this step to keep the styrofoam together. Next, grab a piece of zipper. You may use a used one from your own clothes or get a new one from the store. Slightly cut the sides of the zipper. The cuts will allow you to fold the zipper when you glue it around the circular part of the pencil case. Once done, grab your glue gun and start attaching the zipper to the styrofoam. When the zipper is already attached to the case, it's time to design the pencil case as an ice cream. Grab a cutout of brown colored paper. Cut it out in a circle shape since it will be used as the ice cream head on the pencil case. Cut 2 circles. Once done, glue it on the upper part of the pencil case. You can also cut other colored papers into small sprinkle shapes. After that, glue it on the ice cream. You may also add a pair of eyes on the ice cream if you want to make it cuter. Add as many designs as you want. The sky's the limit. Once done, you now have a DIY ice cream pencil case that you can use to store your pens and pencils. Tip number 5. Mini candy box. If you love candy so much and you want to share it with your friends and family in a cute way, store the candies in a mini candy box. If you're not sure how to make one, here is how. You will need a piece of patterned paper or cardboard that you wish. Cut the cardboard in 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Once done, fold the cardboard from the outside in the shape of a triangle. Next, fold it entwise in another triangle. You will end up with a smaller triangle after. Draw a curve on the top part of the triangle and then cut it. Open the cardboard once again and you will end up with a cardboard with curves on the side. Fold each side to make it a box. Next, put some holes on each side. It will serve as the box's lock so the candies won't spill. Attach the locks on the top of the box. With that, you are done. You can now repack your candies and sweet stuff for your family and friends. Tip number 4. DIY earring. Do you love to wear earrings? If so, this activity is the one for you. Customize and make your own earrings and wear it whenever you like. Making earrings is not that hard to do. All you need is some bendable wires, some beads, earring hooks, and special earring scissors to cut the wires. First thing you need to do is grab small pliers or tweezers and bend the wire you will be using for your earrings. Next, add some beads to the wire. You can be as creative as you can and add colorful beads to your earrings. After that, twist the wire to lock the beads in and then add the earring hook. Bend the wire again to secure the hook. Once done, fit the earring to your ears and voila! You now have a new pair of earrings for your next OOTD. Tip number 3. DIY bracelet. Just like making earrings, making a bracelet is easy to do. If you don't like beaded bracelets and would prefer having some softer ones, this activity is the one for you. All you need for this DIY bracelet is some bracelet ropes. You can choose whatever color you like. The ropes should be at least 6 cm by 90 cm long. Next, place 3 ropes, one of each color, and cross it to each other. Making this bracelet is like doing a hair braid. It is a repetitive process that you can learn fast. Tip number 2. Home decor. Want to level up your house? Or maybe you're thinking of redecorating your room. If so, then this home decor activity is a must-try. All you need to do is cut a huge letter from cardboard. It could be your initial, your mom's name, or whatever letter that you wish to decorate your room. Next, make some flower origami and glue all the flowers of the letter initial. Use a glue gun for this to keep the flowers glued tightly on the letter. Once done, you can now display it anywhere you like in your house or in your room. Tip number 1. Fake nail. This DIY fake acrylic nail hack that we will be making is out from a plastic bottle. The outcome of this hack will give you longer fake nails compared to the ones made from plastic cups. To start off, cut off the middle, soft part of the plastic bottle horizontally. After that, roll the plastic that you just cut and tape it. Now you have a tube-like plastic roll. That will be your acrylic nails later. To make the plastic harder and feel more like an acrylic fake nail, put the plastic roll in a cup of hot boiling water. Let it sit for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take out the plastic roll from the hot water. Take off the tape as well. Now that you have the plastic roll curled, cut them into acrylic long nail sizes. Measure it on your nails and make sure it fits perfectly. Once you have cut enough plastics for both of your hands, it's time to glue them on your nail. Use acrylic glue when attaching the plastic on your nail, just like in hack number 1. Apply a coating of colorless nail polish and then cover it with cornstarch. Repeat the process until the plastic feels like an extension to your real nail. Once done, nail file it and then add your preferred nail polish color. Bonus tip: when doing all sorts of nail art and nail extensions, it is always best to start with clean nails. Make sure they're cut, cleaned, filed, and then washed properly. Starting off with dirty nails can cause infection, and it will only destroy and damage your nails. Doing nail art and applying extensions are okay, but be sure you are doing it right and in a safe way. So that's it, folks. Another set of 10 amazing things to do when you're bored at home. Since you've watched the whole video now, you will never be bored in the house again. Which one of the activities did you like the most? Share us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you think you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have all the cool videos that you can watch whether you're at home, school, or work. You can learn a lot of DIY, hacks, and beauty secrets in our videos, and everything is mind-blowing and epic. Be sure to catch us again in our next video and keep supporting us. See you again next time, Muze Fam. Bye!